Today we had civilians from all over the Bay Area, whether they were junior college students, high school students, aviation specialists looking to pursue their A&P license, and also junior RTC students were all at this event today from all around the Bay Area. This event is beneficial for both because it definitely fosters our relationship with a lot of these different schools, especially on the recruiting side. So some of the schools, have been hesitant to have us come out and recruit at their institutions, but bringing some of the instructors out to this career fair has definitely enhanced those relationships so that we can continue to work together. In terms of the mission in our wing, this is bringing individuals who can actually enlist into our aviation career fields in particular, but then also other areas of need around the base. So it gave everybody a first-hand look at Moffett Field. So the Air National Guard is the nation's best kept secret. Individuals who enlist with us serve 1 week in a month, 2 weeks a year, with the opportunity to help out their country and their state with humanitarian efforts such as fires, floods, hurricane relief, earthquake relief. We've assisted with the pandemic, riot control. We have a counter-drug task force attached to us. And these are just a few of the opportunities that they get to be a part of, and in return they get a bunch of benefits, of course, but that's nothing in comparison to the fulfillment that they're going to receive serving the 129th Rescue Wing, where the mission is to save people's lives.